Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the headphones Skullcandy Rail with using your iOS device. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold on empty space, then click plus or edit, then scroll down and click batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you. I guess this one is the best for me. Then click add widget. And we can check a battery level. And the second one option is to go to the application, and right here at the top we can check a battery level of our left one and right one earbud, but not the charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.